Welcome to Grammar Unit Lessons from BM Training Solutions. Past continuous tense देखते हैं आज. I was doing. यह लड़का सुमित 9 बजे क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. अभी वो घर पे टीवी देख रहा है. It is 3 o'clock now. सुमित घर पर है. He is watching TV. ये हुआ चालू वर्तमान काल present continuous tense. At 9 o'clock, he was not at home. He was playing cricket. This is past continuous tense. कल सुबह वह क्रिकेट खेल रहा था. He was not watching TV. वह टीवी नहीं देख रहा था. Past continuous tense हमको भूतकाल में कोई क्रिया जो पहले चल रही थी उसके बारे में बताता है. चलिए देखते हैं इसकी वाक्य रचना कैसी होती है. Let's look at the structure of a sentence in past continuous tense. With I, he, she, it, we'll use was plus a verb with an ing. Example, I was writing, he was writing, she was writing, it was writing. With we, you, they, you'll use were plus verb with an ing. You were writing, we were writing, they were writing. In a negative sentence in past continuous tense, with I, he, she, it, we'll say was not plus verb with an ing. And with we, you, they, were not and verb with an ing. चलिए नेगेटिव वाक्य past continuous tense में देखते हैं कैसे होते हैं. I was not writing, he was not writing, she was not writing, it was not writing. We were not writing, you were not writing and they were not writing. चलिए अभी प्रश्न बनाते हैं past continuous tense में. To make sentences, questions in past continuous tense, you'll say was I writing, was he writing, was she writing, was it working fine, were we writing, were you writing, were they writing. एक और एंगल से वाक्य रचना समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. You is a subject here. You were playing football at 4 p.m. yesterday. You is a subject here. Were is the helping verb. Play plus ing becomes playing because it's a continuous tense. Football at 4 p.m. yesterday ये विषय हुआ, ये object. Let's look at the structure of a sentence in negative past continuous tense. They were not listening. They is a subject here. With they क्या use करेंगे हम? Were. Negative है इसलिए not and listen plus ing हो गया listening. They were not listening. Were is a helping verb here. Not represents negative. Listen plus ing becomes listening. Let's understand framing a WH question in past continuous tense. Why was she driving fast? Now always we know that when we frame a question with WH word will be the first one. So WH question, which is why, then the helping verb was, then the subject she, then drive plus ing becomes driving, and then fast, which is an object. So why was she driving fast? It's a question in past continuous tense. Past continuous tense में जब हम ing लगाते हैं तो स्पेलिंग में क्या बदलाव आता है जरा देखते हैं. Bake becomes baking, take becomes taking, drizzle becomes drizzling, smile becomes smiling, travel traveling, refer referring, let becomes letting. चलिए कुछ और उदाहरण देखते हैं. Positive sentences with was. I was wearing polished shoes. With he again we'll use was in past continuous tense. Rohit was riding the go-kart. Rohit की जगह सर्वनाम आएगा he. With he we'll use was. He was ride plus ing becomes riding. He was riding the go-kart. Priya was making a to-do list. Priya की जगह सर्वनाम आएगा she. With she we use was. Make plus ing becomes making. Priya was making a to-do list. With it, again we'll use was. It was drizzling yesterday afternoon. With it we use was. Drizzle plus ing becomes drizzling. चलिए अब were का उपयोग देखते हैं. In a sentence in past continuous tense, we'll use with we will use were. We were waiting in the queue. With we use were. Wait plus ing becomes waiting. You were enjoying the sunset. With you will use were, and the enjoy plus ing becomes enjoying. You were enjoying the sunset. तुम sunset का मजा ले रहे थे. They were singing in chorus. They were singing in chorus. With they we use were. Sing plus ing becomes singing. They were singing in chorus. वे कोरस में गा रहे थे. चलिए अभी इन्हीं वाक्यों को नेगेटिवली कैसे कहा जाएगा वो देखते हैं. Was in past continuous tense will become was not. I was wearing polished shoes becomes I was not wearing polished shoes. Rohit was riding go-kart becomes Rohit was not riding the go-kart. Priya was making a to-do list. Priya was not making a to-do list. It was drizzling yesterday afternoon. It wasn't drizzling yesterday afternoon. हम क्यू में खड़े थे. We were waiting in the queue. We were not waiting in the queue. You were enjoying the sunset. The negative will become you were not enjoying the sunset. वे कोरस में गा रहे थे. They were singing in chorus. They were not singing in chorus. चलिए अभी WH क्वेश्चंस के कुछ एग्जांपल्स देखते हैं. What was Sumit looking at? सुमित की जगह सर्वनाम आएगा he. He के साथ हम यूज करेंगे पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में was. Was will come before he. Look plus ing becomes looking. And of course we know that the WH word will be the first word in a question. What? Then the helping verb is was. Sumit is a subject. Verb 1 plus ing becomes looking. And at is an object. What was Sumit looking at? इसी तरह से Where were your parents staying before they shifted here? आपके माता पिता यहाँ शिफ्ट होने के पहले कहाँ रहते थे? Where is the WH word. Your parents की जगह सर्वनाम आएगा they. With they will use were. Were will come before they. Stay plus ing becomes staying. Where were your parents staying before they shifted here? Why were you speaking so less? You is a subject here. Were will come before you. Speak plus ing becomes speaking. Why were you speaking so less? Was Zeenat solving the crossword puzzle? Zeenat is a she. With she we use was. Was will come before she. Was she solving the crossword puzzle? क्या Zeenat crossword puzzle solve कर रही थी? These are the questions in past continuous tense. Thank you.